What is up, guys? Jacob here, aka FaZe X, aka Jacob Juicer. Yeah, that's right. I changed my name. Well, my brother did. Not really me. Kind of did it as a prank, but I cannot change it back now, which is stupid. But on with the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY potato chips. It's actually not that hard. It's really easy. All that you need is pretty much any type of potato. I don't know if this will be a little bit worse than like more yellowish or orangish potatoes, but I don't know my potatoes. But this is what you're gonna need: some type of plate to hold your potato things. You're gonna need potato, obviously, and then a skinner type thing. Like look, it's a type of thing that kind of just cuts it in small skin. It's hard to explain, but most of you guys know what it is. If you guys don't have that, then you can just use a knife to skin it, just like barely at the top. You're also going to need a bunch of oil, which I will get now. Alright guys, so now we have vegetable oil, and you're going to need a pan, which is over there by the stove. But anyways, let's just get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just peel the outside of the potato. Not the inside yet, but just peel the outside. It's an easy thing to do if you have a peeler. If you have a knife instead, it might take a little bit longer, but it's okay. So now we have a potato. So what you're going to want to do is throw out your trash, aka your outside of the potato. My potato is dry for some reason. I mean, I left it out for like an hour and a half or something. So yeah, sorry if the background is stuff. My dad's watching Fast and Furious 7. Anyways, next thing that you're going to do. Well, actually, there's either two things that you can do. Either one, you can start peeling this, like that. But it doesn't really have to be perfect. Like, that is okay. And, you can either do the whole thing, or you can put this in the pan, and then start doing that, and then turn the pan on while you're doing that, because then it would be quick, but you don't want to do it too quick or else it'll be way too hot. But I'm just gonna do this just to be safe, because never know. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so guys, I have just a little bit of a potato left. You don't have to do the whole thing, but I'll just talk while doing this. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just get a pan, Right here we got our pan. It doesn't really matter what size. I got a kind of small one. I guess it's kind of small compared to my head. I don't know. But what you're going to want to do is just take your cooking oil and just fill it up about that much, so that it goes around some of the sides. You might want to like just do it a little bit to the side a little bit, and then just put it into the stove or the thing, the cooking thing. You guys know. All right, so you guys have your potato chips. Well, I don't know if you guys have them, but right here. And then we have the oil right here. Make sure it's kind of medium or high, just like in the middle right there, about that big of a flame. And this will start boiling pretty soon. And then once it starts boiling, pretty much just toss these right into it, and it'll make like a big sizzling noise, and that's how you know whenever it's ready. But a quick disclaimer: if you guys are 12 or younger, don't do this unless if you have parents doing it with you. Make sure you stay safe. Don't do like any of this unless if you have adult supervision. I'm doing it without adult supervision, but my parents were kind of like over there. But they were kind of watching me. But I know how to do this. I've done it before, so yeah. So guys, oil actually like boils like really quickly. Like, it's kind of hard to see, but it's already like kind of like shaking. It's not boiling, it's more of like shaking. But hold on, gotta give it a little test. All right, there's a little bit of bubbles. And then what you're gonna need is some tongs, some metal tongs, so that after you can just grab it. So this one is going to go pretty quickly because it's really small, but it'll kind of turn like almost brownish whenever it's done. And this is pretty much how you make it. You just keep flipping it around a little bit. It's not done yet, but pretty soon it'll be done. I'm just gonna wait until it heats up a little bit more, and then I'll get right back with you guys. All right, it looks done. A little bit brown around the edges. All right, let's give this thing a taste test. Turn this down just like a little bit. That way it doesn't burn the house down. All right, so we have this. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Now, in your spices, if you guys have a lot of spices, there's a lot of things that you can put into it. Nah, I don't want the Italian herb. Party dip mix. Nah, that's it. Cinnamon sugar. Why do I have cinnamon sugar? That'd be weird on there. Nah, I'm looking for more of like a spice. Oh, that's disgusting. You could put some taco seasoning on there. That'd be pretty disgusting though. Chili powder. That sounds good. Food Lion brand. Alright, let's crack this open. Alright, I smelt it and it smells like really good. Alright, so let's put a little bit on here. Oh gosh, that messed so bad. I'm just gonna cheers. That actually isn't that bad. I thought that it was gonna be worse. All right, now that you guys know that, just turn it up a little bit more, a lot more. And yeah, let's just. Oh, that's how you know it's hot enough. All right, let's start putting a crap ton of these on. Ow. Yeah, be careful of the flying stuff, because it's like bacon. Holy balls. Hold on 1 second. Now that you guys know how to make this, I'm just gonna make a bunch and then have my family taste test it. Let's go. So we have them right here. They look burnt, but they're not really. Like, they kind of look burnt, but they're not. So we have Matthew right here, my brother, aka Matt's Kicks, aka I Hype East in the East. He's gonna try one of them. Tell me what you think of them. We've actually made these before. They good? Mm-hmm. All right, now we're gonna go
What did you put on it?
Nothing.
No flavor?
Nope. We actually have some flavoring over here. It's chili powder. We've actually I tasted some of the chili powder. It's actually really good. Here you go. You can dip some in that. See what he thinks of it.
Better without it.
Yeah, alright. Now on to my family. Alright guys, so we have my mom right here. She's gonna try some. There's some chili powder right there if you want to try some with chili powder.
I'm gonna try without chili powder.
Yeah. Rate it from 1 to 10.
10.
Thank you.
I might eat them all.
Well, you can't because Daniel has to try some. And Dad.
Yeah, we don't really like them.
Yeah. Just here you go.
How'd you get them so thin?
Just use the slicer.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we have my dad right here. He's about to try one. Alright.
Oh, wow.
After you're gonna have to rate from 1 to 10. Alright, you can try one.
All right, so it looks like we got some homemade potato chips here. You should check out the brownness of these things. Pretty impressed with how Jacob fried these things. We're gonna try one right now. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here, let's try one more. Make sure that they're consistent.
You can try it with chili powder. Chili powder right there.
Oh, they're good.
Yeah.
Watch out, potato chump companies. Jacob Juicer's coming to get you.
Alright, Daniel, so do you want to try one?
I don't know.
What, do they look sketchy to you?
Kinda. Why is this one a rectangle? I've never seen a rectangular potato.
Rate it from 1 to 10.
Actually, they're pretty good.
Are they good?
Yeah, I'd give it about an 8.5.
What do you rate it?
I'm going bigger. I'm going more than that. 9.5.
Woo!
I like them.
Mom rated 10.
Little greasy, just a little greasy. But I think if you pat them dry, you'll be onto something. I think we'll be making a big building so you can start packaging them soon. That's what I think.
Alright, you can try some with chili powder. Make it kind of spicy, kind of.
What are you going to name
It's kind of
your
hard to
chips?
dip it.
What are you going to call your chip company?
Jacob Juicers Wake Up Boosters. I don't know. I tried to rhyme something.
I wouldn't dip in chili powder. It's not the move.
Yeah. It's kind of weird. I didn't know what seasoning to put on it, so
Can you make me more?
that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you smash that like button down below. Let's see if we can get to 5 likes. I know that we can do it. Also, the reason I changed my name, my brother pretty much changed my name. It's kind of weird. Also, shout out to J Boy D. I got this idea from him. Make sure you go check out his channel. J space boy space D. That's not actually space, like, I mean, like, actual spaces. Never mind. But, shout out to him. Please subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you hit that bell icon down below. And peace!